how to turn an old cardboard box into an amazing coffee table. Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be starting off with this box where I removed a machine that I'll be using for cutting from my craft room. Now, I love the shape of this box and it's quite large, and it also had styrofoams inside that were hard, but the middle is not filled. So I'm going to be filling up the middle with extra styrofoams. That's going to make it sturdy but light in weight. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be sealing off the box with tape. I'm making a coffee table and I want to make sure that it's easy to lift it up. So these wood pieces that I'll be attaching here will make it easy for me to lift up the box from the bottom. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover the entire box with tiles. I'll be attaching the tiles to the box with a strong adhesive. I'll be holding the parts that's by the side here with tape so that they're all on the same line. I'll be covering up some of the open spaces with little pieces that I'm going to cut out from the tiles. I let this set for about 8 hours, and after that, I covered the entire thing with grout. When I was done, I cleaned off the excess grout. The next day, when everything was set, I spray painted the top and the bottom part to give it a sort of an ombre effect. Now, because I wasn't satisfied with the shininess of the lower part of the ombre effect, I used Mod Podge and gold flakes to give it a little bit of shine. Another extra design that I wanted adding to this was to make it look like gold was dripping from the top and from the bottom, and the middle part would still remain white. This is what it looks like when it was dry. Now you should know that you can also leave the tiles the way they are bare, just like this. However you want your coffee table to look like, it's all up to you. Thank you all so much for watching. I really did enjoy sharing this with you all. Now, I do have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.